squad, same squad, same squad. Drop top, coupe, Dodge raindrops. Big bang plays on FaceTime. Squad ain't with me, then it ain't right. Same squad, same squad, same squad. Cross move quick like AI.
Damn, your girl so fine, but her breath is like whoa. She say she wanna dance, but she don't know how to whoa. I'm iced out, ooh, looking like a star, whoa. Her name is Jenny, ooh, bitch don't have no panties, whoa. I'm Steph Curry when I hit the three.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tout.
Rich, 8-figure, that's my type. That's my type, that's my type. 8-inch bagel, that's the pipe.
Metro, don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Hey! Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Cooking, fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. Hey! I don't trust nobody, good the trick, nobody.
I think I'm losing my mind, trying to stay inside the lines. It's like you're running in place. Cause you could fall in and go psycho. Ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up.
Hi guys, I'm going to show you the skincare that I'm going to bring with me when I shoot. On a series, I like to keep my skincare very, very minimal. I'm going to be staying in a hotel, but these are the products that I'm going to be bringing with me. An olive oil based soap called Savon de Marseille. It's great for my hair and my whole body. Whipped body butter. It's excellent for dry skin. I'm going to be shooting outside, so I want my skin to be really hydrated. This is a natural deodorant that I put into this upcycled little container. My nighttime face beauty balm to keep my skin really hydrated as I sleep. This is my morning face oil. It's basically jojoba oil and lavender oil, and jojoba oil is a very fast penetrating oil. Fun little tip, jojoba oil is actually not an oil, it's a wax. And I use this jade roller on my skin, and it relaxes my muscles. Thanks for watching. Like and follow for more skincare tips and natural products. I am the boss of my own eco-friendly cosmetics company, and I write individual thank you notes to all my customers. I cut up cardboard boxes to write my notes, and then they can be easily recycled. All containers I use are also recyclable. Hey guys, I have an audition today, and this is all the makeup that I use on my face to get a natural look. I don't like to take on makeup before an audition because I like my character to look a lot more real. This is my natural look.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get laid.
The difference is with me, I never needed niggas ever. I leave them where I met them, I ain't tripping off no extras. Goons in the cut, try to talk you out your necklace. If you ever disrespect me, pussy, don't be disrespect. I said, woo, I said, I know. Think you know what I need to get by. Something for your mind. Something for your mind. What's the problem, dog?
Good morning, my name is Tokyo, just like a window, I'm here there.
Won't you stop taking enough? Oh, honey pie, honey pie.
If I back it up, is it fat enough? When I throw it back, is it fast enough? If I speed it up, can you handle that? You ain't ready for this work now. Watch me throw it back.
fucking pussy.
So I heard you found somebody else. And at first,
I see a bunch of people posting rich kid check. I think that's pretty lame. I want to see people starting a business. So we can start the new trend as business check or hustle check. Let's do it.
This is how I apply my cake mascara. You don't have to keep the product really nice. It's best to mix the product all together. Mix the product up, coating the wand like this. Next, scrape any excess off at the edge of the tin. It's especially good for eyelash care because of the vitamin E oil to keep the eyelashes strong. I love it in this format because you can recycle the tin. This container seriously lasts me a long time. I've had it since May. Don't forget to wash your wand between uses to decrease bacteria growth.
Damn. Like I should. When in dark, I walk around the neighborhood. Feeling blessed.
Aren't you the guy who tried to hurt me with the word goodbye? Though it took some time to survive you, I'm better on the other side.
Why is everything chrome?
Man, this beat got me feeling like the franchise boys in this bitch. Lean with it, rock with it, lean, swear, rock.
That's her thought. I can see that from a mile away. Look how she walks. She like Drake. Started at the bottom, gave me top. And out here nigga wanna throw the hands like Millie Rock.
Sorry, I'm sorry, sorry. Psych. By the way, you've been uninvited. You're a bad thing. I know I fucked up. I'm just a loser. Shouldn't be with ya. Guess I'm a quitter while you're out there drinking. I'm just thinking about where I should have been. I've been lonely. La, la, la.
Oops, my heart went.
Fuck. Shit. Bitch, don't ask me who I be on. I'm just tryna hit it with my Gucci on.
Hit or miss, I guess they never miss, huh? You got a boyfriend, I bet he doesn't kiss ya. He gon' find another girl and he won't miss ya. He gon' skirt then hit the dab like Wiz Khalifa.
Walked in a house, I got Benny and Prada in my house. She so aroused. When I go down where I'm at, no way out.
Made so you bagged him. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid. What's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage.
I might just go psycho. So many drunk white hoes.
That's my shit, my way. Do it like that and I repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repeat. I'll cross my heart and hope to die with always and forever by your side. When days are dark and stars.
Hey, yeah, I'm a bad boy doing good things.
I don't wanna die. I don't wanna Valentine.
ain't tryna. Yeah, ain't tryna be cool like you. Wobbling around in your high heel shoes, I'm clumsy. Made friends with the floor. 2 for 1, you know a bitch by 4. And 2 left feet, you know I always drop.
Stay awake for too long, don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of bed.
I love you, baby, and if it's quite alright, I need to, baby, to on these lonely nights. I love you, baby, trust me when I say.
Let's go. Brand new Lamborghini, fuck a cop car. With a pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Have you ever met a real nigga rock star? This ain't no guitar, bitch, this a clock. My Glock told me to promise you gon' squeeze me.
I like him too. He my man, he my boo, he my type, he's so cute. I want him and I want him too.
A face is a canvas. I like to express myself using eco-friendly makeup. It lets me express myself while respecting the planet.
You can do anything you want.
Okay. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, hit it.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater. Interior crocodile alligator.
Sick with it, group drop.
Swatching the mineral blush I made yesterday.
Quand il me prend dans ses bras, il me parle tout bas, je vois la vie en rose. Il me dit des mots d'amour, des mots de tout.
I'm just fucking with him, I got nothing to do. Running through these checks like the ones on my shoes. So don't get geeked up, bitch, like it beat up. Tell that how I'm moving in, cause Elisa. Don't get geeked up, bitch, like it beat up.
Sick with it, group drop.
Cause that bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. That bitch go pew when I shoot, it's on mute. Copycat nigga tryna copy what I do.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Don't know what you're saying. You're flying higher than a plane, and I'm not complaining.
I really don't know why it's such a big deal, though. Going up, going down, down, down. Anything for the crown, crown, crown. When the lights dipping down, down, down.
Just did a bad thing. Finding hell. Thick as fuck. Oh my god. That's my baby.
Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah. Okay.
Me, or I think she like me. Molly rocks in my green tea.
Pussy boy, get out my way. I'll run up that jet before I run any phase.
Now from the top, make it drop. That's some wet. That's some wet. Now get a bucket and a mop. That's some wet. That's some wet. I'm talking wop, wop, wop. That's some wet. That's some wet.
요이 요이 떤다요. 슈지인学園習字の事実みんな憧れの生徒会
1, 2 racks, I'ma blow that. 3, 4, 5, I'ma hold that. 6, 7, 8, I'ma show that. 9, 10 racks, I'ma throw that. Hey, bounce that ass, yeah, throw it back. Spin that cash, you got hella racks.
Did she say what you say? Oh, that you like.
eat it. Jalebi, baby. Baby, let me see it. Jalebi.